Once you've connected your online store to Google with Codisto Channel Cloud and populated your Google Merchant account with your product catalog, it's time to start getting using the power of Google to get your products in front of new customers. The best way to do this is by creating product listing ads with a Google Shopping Smart campaign. Product listing ads, PLAs, appear at the top of Google Assets, for example, at the top of Google Search, so they are great for getting the attention of buyers and conversion. They look like this, and you've no doubt seen them before. You might have even clicked on them in the past and been taken to a seller's website to complete your transaction. These ad listings are served across premium placements on Google's search network and across Google's surfaces. Product listing ads can even be shown on third-party sites through Google's display network, on YouTube, and in targeted placements on Gmail. Creating product listing ads with Channel Cloud is easy. Channel Cloud will create a Google Ads account for you or allow you to link your existing ads account. Then you'll be prompted to set a daily average budget for your Google ad spend and launch a smart shopping campaign which will create your product listing ads on Google. Your average daily budget is the most you are willing to spend on product listing ads each day. To work out your recommended daily budget for starting your campaign, please view the guide in the video notes below. As long as you haven't set your budget too low, your products will be more visible on Google, and you should be on your way to increased sales and growing your business.